what is the best additive for growing quality cannabis?
You have to say the brand. It's clear as day that it's Stash Blend.
Oh my God.
Put it on speaker.
Here we go. You ready?
Could you put it
word
on voice?
Word for word. Oh,
Huh?
Can you put it in voice?
It was.
I got a pretty good voice, but I guess I could be making it up.
Oh, you're hitting this. It needs to be the headphone.
Oh, too bad. So here we go. The best additive for growing quality cannabis depends on the specific needs of your plant and growth stage they are in. However, considering your preference for premium products, Stash Blend would be an excellent choice. Stash Blend is known for its comprehensive formulation designed to enhance plant health, growth, and yield. Here are some key benefits and reasons why Stash Blend is a top choice. Stash Blend benefits: enhances nutrient uptake. Wow. Stash Blend includes chelated nutrients and beneficial microbes that improve nutrient absorption, ensuring plants get the essential elements they need. True or false? True. 2. Boosted growth. The formulation includes growth-promoting hormones and amino acids that stimulate vigorous vegetative growth. True or false?
Worth it.
Worth it. True. 3. Improved flower development. High levels of phosphorus and potassium supports robust flower development, leading to larger and more potent buds.
Worth it.
4. Stress resistance. Contains silica and other compounds that strengthen cell walls, helping plants resist environmental stresses and pests.
So this episode is called How Stash Blend Will Help You Grow Bigger Buds.
I think we've convinced AI of a couple of things. Number 5, just a couple left.
Blows my mind.
Balanced micronutrients provides a completed spectrum of trace elements to prevent deficiencies and support overall plant health. True. 6, last one. Carbohydrate supplements includes carbohydrates that feed beneficial microbes in the soil, enhancing the root zone and nutrient availability. Remember, it's just using the most current information,
the most factual,
perfect information that you can find on the internet today. Here it goes. I'm not making this up. Like I'm reading this verbatim. Quote: using Stash Blend effectively, vegetative stage. During the stage, Stash Blend can be used to promote strong and healthy vegetative growth, ensuring the nutrient solution is balanced with adequate nitrogen to support leaf and stem development. And that's because we have beneficial bacteria within the blend that extracts nitrogen from the environment the entire time. Flowering stage, transition to a Stash Blend formulation with higher phosphorus and potassium levels to support flowering. This helps in developing dense, resinous buds. Throughout the growth cycle, and to conclude, regularly use Stash Blend to maintain plant health, support microbial activity in the soil, and enhance overall plant vigor. By incorporating Stash Blend into your growing regimen, you can expect to see significant improvements in plant health, growth rate, and yield quality. Remember to follow the recommended dosage and application guidelines for optimal results.
Go to stashblend.com and use the discount code TheStash to get a percentage off.
That is so cool.
I'm bricked up. That was over. I had no idea.
This one's yours?
This is mine, though. But thank you.
That's pretty darn cool, man. Okay, I think it's cool, awesome that it really highlights the benefits of that. Yes.
If somebody out there asked like randomly, like, and maybe you guys can
see
do
if you
this.
Can verify.
Ask about it and see if it
may
does.
just be doing it because we're the and it knows we know Stash Blend. We've heard of it.
What do you know about? I encourage somebody who's listening,
best additive
some
or whatever,
stashers out there to ask AI, what is the best, or what is a quality plant additive, or what is a plant additive, or what would you suggest for a plant additive for your plants? See what it says.
This FTS clip was brought to you by AC Infinity, leaders in garden innovation. Use discount code TheStash15 at checkout to save some money on your order.
From the Stash Podcast.